All right, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about antiphospholipid syndrome and an herb that we've mentioned here before, and we'll just talk about it a little bit more focused today. And that herb is Yi. And first of all, antiphospholipid syndrome is a syndrome that can cause blood clots, and it can cause a wide variety of blood clots. It can cause blood clots in the veins, in which case you might have DVTs, which are thrombosis in the veins, which cause swelling and pain. You could have other types of blood clots on the arterial side, which results in strokes. Sometimes it can cause recurrent miscarriages because of these venous thromboembolisms. And and so it can cause a wide variety of clotting disorders. And it's really difficult in Western medicine. The treatment tends to be blood thinners, and it usually tends to happen once you've already had some sort of problem resulting from it. And so antiphospholipid syndrome, it's diagnosed by blood testing where we check, usually a doctor will check a hypercoagulable panel where we look at all kinds of different factors that can cause abnormal clotting. And antiphospholipid is one of them that is tested. And so the diagnosis is usually made by laboratory testing and also what types of symptoms you might be having. Sometimes it's unclear. You may have a problem and this blood test is positive and it's not 100% certain whether it was related or unrelated. And that's a decision your doctor has to individually make on whether to do treatment that you also will have to talk about. Now, from an Eastern medicine perspective, abnormal blood clotting is due to a number of variety of reasons, but um, it can definitely be caused by what we call blood stagnation, and that could be related to also just poor qi flow within the blood level of the body. That could be related to different organs like the spleen or the liver. And so the herb today that I was going to talk about is an herb called Yi. And this herb is an herb that goes specifically to the spleen and liver, and it helps to break up blood stasis. So when you have poor blood flow or what we call blood stasis, and this herb goes to the liver and the spleen, and it helps to move the blood, and it especially helps to focus on the qi aspect of the blood. So to have good blood flow in Chinese medicine, there's two components, which is the blood and the qi, and both of them work together, and they are both present within the blood level of the body. And the chi aspect of it is what helps really the movement of it. And so if you have weakness in your chi level or chi that's not flowing smoothly, this is an herb that can help to promote the flow of the chi in the blood level and help therefore to improve the blood flow in the body. And it's a herb that can be used if you are somebody who is predisposed to these in the right clinical context. And so that's a little bit about antiphospholipid syndrome and Yi, and we will see you next time.